I'm doing it again. No, I'm doing it again. Now it's running. On the left we have Cola. On the right we have Hennessy. Can you give her a little bit of each? They're good, obviously. We've seen them. My video wasn't running. Good boy. Good girl.
Now that you need your iPhone, just let me know.
Okay, good.
And then I can just send you the...
Good boy, Cola. Good girl, Hennessy. We knew you were good because the owners told us you were good with other animals. We tested you with a kitty and you were great with Tom Tom. You just want to be loved by all the people in the room. Cola had a brother. He's not fixed? Oh, he's not fixed. I thought he was. Oh, he's fixed. Maybe recently fixed?
Probably so, yeah.
Because he's interested.
That's why he's trying.
Oh, he's giving her kisses. Oh, they're good.
Yeah, I think they're fine.
But it's also a little bit of dominance.
Yeah, he's trying to be more
He's
dominant
trying to
over
be
her.
dominant over her, but it's because his brother knocked the crap out of him.
Yeah.
He had a brother, Soda, Cola. They had to separate them because he kept attacking this dog. So he doesn't like anybody jumping on his face, so he'll be now trying to be dominant over them. All right, this is